Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Time with Vasu. So what new are we gonna learn today? Today we are going to learn demonstrative pronouns which are this and these, that and those. So let's dive deeper into this topic. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to specific people, place, or things. So we use it to point out to something that is far from us or near to us. So this and that demonstrative pronouns are used to point specific people, place, or thing which is only one or which are a singular noun. Next, these and those are demonstrative pronouns that are used to point out things, people, or place which are more than one, like 2, 3, or 4. Basically, they take the place of a plural noun. Next, if the object is near to us, like this pencil box is near to me, we use this or these to represent that. And if the thing is far from us, like, hey, see that guy over there? He is smart. So for those type of pronouns, we use that because the person standing there is far from us. Next, we will learn the examples of this, those, these, and that to make it easier for you people to understand. First, let's learn the example of this. This is a ball. Because the boy is close to the ball, we use this. And because the ball is singular, we use this. Next example is this is a bag. Here the demonstrative pronoun is this. Because the boy is close to the bag and the bag is only one. Next, this is a mobile. Here the boy is close to the mobile and the mobile is only one. So we use this in this case. Next, we'll learn the example of these. These are apples. Why did he use these? Because the boy is close to the apples and the apples are 3, not 1. They are a plural noun. That's why we use these. Next, these are mice. The mice are close to the boy and they are 3. There's not a 1 mouse. That's why we use these. Next example. These are balloons. Here these is a demonstrative pronoun and because it is used because the balloons are close to the boy and balloons are 3, not 1. So we use these in this case. Now we'll learn the examples of that. That is a monkey. Because the monkey is far from the boy, we use that. Next example. That is a parrot. There is only one parrot and it is far from the boy. That's why we use the demonstrative pronoun that. Next. Now we'll learn the examples of those. So, first example. Those are students. Because the students are so many and they are far from the boy, we use those. Next example. Those are books. The books are far from the boy. And there are a lot of books. So we use those. Now it's exercise time. Over here, we have to write the correct demonstrative pronoun as per the given picture. So the first picture, there's an ice cream and there's a boy. The boy is near to the ice cream and the ice cream is only one. So we use, guess what? This. There are so many pencils and the boy is far from the pencils. So we use those. In the next picture, the boy is close to the mangoes. There are a lot of mangoes. So we use, guess what? These. Here, this dog is far from the boy. And the dog is only one. So we use that. Hope you enjoyed my video. Like and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Bye guys. See you next time.